Hey everybody, today's challenge takes us to Kenya, to the Mara River in Masai Mara to see the wildebeest crossing. Mac and Sierra have found themselves in the middle of one of the world's most amazing natural phenomena, the annual wildebeest migration in Masai Mara, Kenya. The migration is one of the few large movements of wildlife in the world. The wildebeest give birth to their calves in the southeast Serengeti, then move into the western Serengeti before heading north to Masai Mara in July. They feed on the lush grasses of the Mara until October. Of course, all the lions follow these animals, making the Mara the most predator-packed reserve in the world. Wildebeest can't pass up the opportunity to drink, as they cannot go longer than 5 days without water. They will risk life and hooves to do so. While spending the day in the Mara Triangle along the Tanzanian border, Mac and Sierra finally got to witness the spectacle of the herds crossing the Mara River. Mac wants to approximate how many animals are in the wildebeest herd he's witnessing, so he can tell the ranger at base camp. With his binoculars, Mac is able to count the individual wildebeest jumping into the river during a 15-second interval. It took 28 minutes for the herd to cross the Mara River. Assuming the herd crossed at a constant rate, how many wildebeest are in the herd? Help Mac count the wildebeest and answer his question. Alright, get ready and start counting. Five, 4, 2, 1, stop. Okay, pause the video and see if you can figure out how many animals are in this wildebeest herd. Mac read that there are 1.3 million wildebeest that migrate to Masai Mara from the Serengeti and cross the river yearly. He wants to know if they all come in as one big herd and crossed in a single file line, how long would it take the herd of 1.3 million to cross, assuming they cross at the same rate as in the crossing he had just observed? He wants to know the answer in days, hours, and minutes. Okay, pause and see if you can make this calculation. Mac is curious. He read in his guidebook that wildebeest eat 4.3 kilograms of grass daily. He wants to know how much grass the herd he observed would eat on a daily basis. Being an American, he is unfamiliar with the metric system. He wants to convert the weight into pounds. Mac looked up the conversion in his guidebook and found that there are 2.21 pounds in 1 kilogram. Help Mac calculate the amount of grass the herd eats daily in pounds. Sierra is also curious. She read in her guidebook that the wildebeest spend August and September in Masai Mara. If 1.3 million wildebeest eat 4.3 kilograms of grass daily for 2 months, how many tons of grass is eaten by the entire population during that period? Sierra knows that there are 2,000 pounds in 1 ton. Make sure you follow parts A through E. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video.